check out. We have up next Tiffany. And would you look at that, guys? The logo, the banner, it all loaded just right this time. No problem. And you're welcome, Peter. All right, Tiffany. Let's see. We got a comment from Tiffany here. My bestseller is Boy Mom Tumbler sets, specifically the dirt trucks and toy ones. Looks like these ones you're talking about right here. I'm ranking on these sets, typically first page-ish for organic results, and I get great likes and favorites on these. I want to be able to replicate this energy on my other listings, specifically my ornaments for this season, and move into my rhinestone work early 2022. What are your recommendations for my ornaments and the rhinestone pieces? Thank you in advance. All right. Thank you, Tiffany, for the nice message. So let's check it out. So how can you get your other products to sell as well as these ones? And I see you got 11 reviews for this item. People really like it. Well, the reason usually one of the fundamental things, guys, it doesn't matter. One of the most important things on why some products sell and why some products don't, it's not necessarily because you have the best keywords or the best this or that. It's just because people like that item. They think it's a great looking product. So it's like, think of it this way. Why, if you go to a coffee shop, I would imagine a nice tasty muffin is probably going to sell more often than like something that's not so fun and delicious. A chocolate chip muffin will probably sell more often than, like a vegan brownie or something like that, because more people are going to like the chocolate chip muffin. So it doesn't exactly, you can't necessarily just bring it over to your other products. People buy this one because, there we go, Christina, the chocolate chip muffin is going to sell better than the brand muffin. Very true. Brand muffins just aren't quite as fun. They're just not quite as fun. So people are going to buy, this is a unique product. So it's probably one of the reasons it does really well. There's not so many. I haven't seen a lot of people selling something like this. Dirt trucks and toys, boy mama, mama's boy. It's a very cute product. And it's like it's kind of a unique and special bond, that, some mother's going to have with their little boy. And there's probably not a whole lot of products out there that, are reaching that. So it's a really well-made product, and that's why you're doing well with it. So let's check out the keyword here. Boy mom tumbler, motherhood. See, this is the dinosaur, Jurassic Park. See, when you're looking at these other ones, yours is a great fit. It's a matching boy and mom tumbler. I don't see really anybody else selling anything quite like that. So that's really, really cute. So if you want to try and I see you've got a lot of different things here. You've got these tumblers, you got some family game night resin. If you want to try and get more results out of that, I would say, what can you learn from this product that caused it to win? Maybe more matching tumblers. So how could you make more matching tumblers that are really cute like this for other people? What would be another, you could do a matching mom and daughter tumbler. That might be something that people would really like. I have a few different options. Dad and daughter would be a good one. I think that would be a good one as well. And then, mom and daughter, you could have, and then, you could just try and think to apply to a few of the different situations. So this one, I think you did a great job calling out the classic, cute little, trucks and a little pile of dirt and some things like that. Ooh, that's a great one, Christina. Nana tumbler, grandma tumbler, Nana tumbler, another great idea there. So I would say try and think of all the other different personalities, all the other different like family situations that you could make matching tumblers for that would be kind of unique and specific, and then do your best job to make them just as cute as that one. Mama bear, that's another good suggestion. Now, let's go ahead and let's look at your ornaments here. We've got this red buffalo plaid ornament, buffalo check, personalized family gift, custom photo Christmas ornament, family photo card alternative. Okay. Very cute, front and back, double-sided option. This photo doesn't really make any sense to me, because there's nothing on these, so I don't see what you're trying to say. I don't know. That one just doesn't make any sense on that photo there. And let's see here. So the same thing is going to apply for these ones. If people really like the product, if they really like the ornament, they'll go ahead and they'll take advantage of it. Winter Wonderland house ornament. Let's check your keyword there. Probably a great one because there's so many opportunities there. Winter Wonderland, actually not the best, kind of small, 329 results. You might just want to do Winter Wonderland ornament. That brings you to 4,144 results. So I think you did a good job on these. They have nice photos. They look really cute. Let's see, select the style, custom note, or a photo. Okay, I see on the back. MDF or aluminum. And what is the difference between MDF? So I don't know what MDF is. And one's a little confusing. Let's see. MDF aluminum. Okay. So I guess the MDF one is just a little bit bigger. I don't know that you really need to give me the option because I don't really care whether it's going to be MDF or aluminum. But it's fine. Okay, so I see it's a little bit thicker. All right, so there's there we go, a little bit. MDF is fiberboard. Okay. That looks a little bit better. You might just want to change well, it's fine. You already did the work, putting the photos there and the details there. It just took me a moment to read through it. So the MDF is a little cheaper and thicker. Don't forget to send your photo. Photo option is selected. If you fail your send your 48 hours, your order will be canceled. And let's see what you get, why you'll love it, how to order, write a message, send photo in Etsy shop message after purchase. Okay, great. Perfect. Okay. So this looks pretty good. I think these ones are you've done your homework and you built out this listing pretty well. You've given me instructions on everything, photo, no photo, custom note. And then right here, add your personalization, family name, and add message if message was selected. Now, personalization, add your personal. Oh, okay, so that's just the headline of it. So I would say, yeah, the ornaments all look good. I hope they are, I hope those ones win for you. I think, yeah, here we go. Mama's boy. We got to cast a camo. And I think zooming in your photo a little bit on that one and making it a little easier to see, the difference between these two. This photo is a little easier to see. This one on the thumbnail is a little too small. So you might want to zoom these in and get them a little closer, take up more space in the photo so that they're easier to see. Same thing with the mama leopard, the daddy. I would say, if you got some results, if this is really one of your best ones, figure out how can you make more products like those and make them win. But I think you've got a great looking shop here, Tiffany. So good luck with it. Rachel made it. I like the branding. It's got this can-do attitude, and it looks really, really good. So thanks for sending it in, Tiffany. You're welcome. You're welcome.